Alright, so we got my brother's RX7 ready to go. We're gonna give it a start up, see how it sounds. First start up, hit it. Oh shit. Woo. Sounds beast. Let's take a look at that rotary. Get it all open. So there you go. Woo! Yeah! That's how we do it. Look! Oh lordy!
It's all the junk we took out of the car. We're still taking junk out. Almost missing stuff. Right now we're missing this panel right here. We're missing. Right now we're just throwing all these things away. This we can use later. And this is rusted. What the hell is this? Man. Oh look, this shit broke. This is where the old one used to go. And then we also got positive. This is like for the radio, for the speakers, light. Shit. Alright, this is for. I have no idea what they did here. I just took all those bolts out and this shit won't come out. Shit is glue in there. So I see what they did here. They took they cut it from here. This is where they got the power from to probably power the external pump they had in here. So I'm gonna use the internal one. I don't wanna use that external one. I'm gonna leave that there covered for now. So yeah, this is the only places where I see rust, you know, in the whole car. Still stuff missing, like that's missing, that all that is missing here. That door handle is broken. That's missing right there. I don't even know what goes there. Probably the ECU. I don't know. I have no idea what goes there. That panel back there is missing. These covers, both of them are broken. That cover inside here is missing in there, and I don't know if something goes here, like a bar or something. They can tell, like I think they cut something in the front, the radiator support. So there's nothing there. It's a big hole right there, probably for the ABS. I don't know what. I don't have no idea what one there. So I gotta keep finding stuff. Yeah, this we got the cross member in there. Got a rear sump, 1 JC, just throw it in there. I mean, everything else seems to be okay. So just keep finding stuff. I'm pretty sure this one right here is for the alternator. This one is for the starter, I'm assuming. But starting to rust right here a little bit. We're gonna fix all that once I go and get it painted. Overall, it's not bad. Not bad at all. It's the third day. We've been working on the car. Took it apart. Bunch of things, we took them out, but you see the interior starting to look better. We got a vacuum that's a little better, but we still got to get everything out. I took a bunch of stuff out. That's for where the ECU used to be. So remember all that rust? We're trying to get it out. We're trying to grind it out so we can paint over here with the paint that doesn't get rust in. but at least this part over here, you got a bunch of the stuff. I took all the things out. Have them hidden somewhere. But look at the seats. It's my mama. Say hi to YouTube. You got more things over here, the cluster, back panel, this, the bottle of nitrous is gonna go in there. Yeah, that's my biggest fan. My dad too. So we cleaned it a little bit yesterday, not very well, because we're gonna do this last. We're gonna work inside, we're gonna get it ready in the inside, and then once we finish the inside, then we'll finish the engine bay and then get it painted. But I gotta vacuum this over here again. Yeah, a lot of cleaning. So there was a lot of rat shit everywhere. So we're trying to disinfect it. You know, try to get it better. So these are a few of the things we took out. More stuff, old radio, and all that stuff we're gonna use. The vacuum, my best friend so far. Yeah, we got a helper here. Yep. Ya le sirve largo. Come on. Alright, look, we treated that. We scrubbed all the rust out, cleaned up good, really good, and we spread it with Rosolium. I think that's how you say it. So that way that the thing doesn't get any more rust in there. Or nice just drying. So right now we're taking this out so we can clean it better. And we'll put it. Sí, porque ese tornillo es pequeño, ese tornillo es muy, no es largo así como este. Whoa, shit. Yeah.
Cuido. Ahí está huelle.
Ah, bien. Prende el vacuum, mira, prende el vacuum. Espérate, no lo gires.
No lo ensucie.
Looking better. Clean all that shit out. We saw a ghost here. Haven't seen this guy in 1 month. Who are you, man? What is your name? Yeah. Yeah. All right, we're gonna end over here for the video for the day. But next, we're gonna finish the cleaning clean the seats, getting everything painted, getting ready, and then putting it back in there. But the seats, so you guys see that we already started working on this, and it's gonna get there. I just cleaned the carpet too. You guys saw it, but it looks really good shape and everything like that. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. FD, probably 1J, 2J, Mazda RX7.